Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to explain how you can verify your Uber card, which is pretty much verifying your account. That's pretty much the umbrella that is covering everything. So the first thing you need to do is you need to have your payment card ready. So while it's rare, you might be unexpectedly prompted to verify your payment method while making a reservation. This only should happen if there's an issue with your credit card. So once you're done, you need to place your credit card on a flat, well-lit surface, and then you need to take a photo of it. You need to pretty much just have your credit card uh, within the crosshair, so to speak, of within the green hold card here option, right? And then just take a photo of that, and then if it's going to ask you to take a photo of your ID, just do that too. Um, and for the most part, like what I said, you really don't have any issues with like verifying your card, right? There's a lot of options here. If you do this, right, you just go save this as usual, but the whole verification process is just for your account in general. So it's pretty straightforward like that. And yeah, pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. Will see you on the next video.